this hazard knowledge and foresight does not fall from the sky. It comes from CatNet, Swiss Re's proprietary risk assessment tool, which detects potential hazards for the benefit of the insurance industry and its clients. Let's show you what we mean. In Switzerland's Rhine Valley, the Swiss-based global building materials company Lafarge-Holcim operates a cement plant. The factory is situated adjacent to the river and is very well protected by a levee. However, flooding still poses a serious threat, placing substantial assets at risk and potentially endangering the environment. CatNet is just what you need to detect potential hazards swiftly and draft possible insurance protection. With this tool at your fingertips, you can go virtually anywhere in the world to assess the risks and access the data you need. Detect the flood zones for a single location or for entire portfolios. Use satellite images or maps to learn more about the potential impact. Build your own risk profile for flood, earthquake, or hail, in fact, for any kind of natural catastrophe. CatNet is intuitive and user-friendly. What is more, Swiss Re clients can use it free of charge. Register today